Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an account on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and go and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and open up your application as I did now. Here you'll be firstly asked where your address is. So you'll need to go and pin your address, as you can see. So basically choose where your address is, point it like that, then click confirm, and then wait for it to update the location. And here you can go and, as you can see, allow Foodpanda to track your activity across the other company's app's website. You can allow it or not allow it. I'll say that I don't want to allow it. And here you guys have your account. So basically you can go and click on the bottom right corner, click on sign up or log in, and then click on login with number or with Google, whatever you want. I'll go and type that I want to continue with my email. I'll type my email address, just a second. Then when you type your email address, guys, just click the continue button. After that, you can see that you have a verification on your email. Go to your email and verify that. So basically I'll be going on my email via my PC. So just so you know why nothing is happening on the screen. So wait for the email to come. When the email guys comes, you'll then just need to go and confirm it that you and your account will then be immediately created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything as I said, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.